Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is stay healthy and happy all the time. Okay, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to make a USB bootable device using Rufus. This video is part of series on how to install Windows by using a USB flash drive. Okay, first of all, what you needed is a one USB flash drive, something like this. You need to at least have 8 gig of capacity in this flash drive. No need to have a bigger one. I think 32 gigabyte is enough for installing a Windows. The bigger you use is not even better. But the one thing that most important, I think, the speed of the USB itself. You need to use a USB 3.0 for flash drive, so it could be much faster when you're installing it. Okay, after you prepare your USB flash drive, you need to back up any data in this flash drive first, because it's gonna get reformatted when we creating USB bootable device. So first of all, we need to download the Rufus. You need to open your browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever browser you had. Just put rufus.ie on your address bar and press enter. This is the main page of a Rufus web page. You can create bootable USB drive the easy way by using this. All you need to do is scroll down, and you could download the Rufus installer version or the portable version. In this example, I'm going to use the portable version. Both of these have the same method of creating USB bootable drive anyway. You could choose either. After it's finishing downloading, if you're using Google Chrome, it should be on the bottom left of your browser. Just need to click it, and it's getting opening. If there is any update policy, you could either click yes or no. I'm gonna click no. Then it's gonna detect your USB drive automatically. Because I haven't plugged my USB device yet, it won't detect anything. I'm gonna plug it right now. You need to plug it into USB 3.0 port if you had it, so you would copy the data much faster. It's already detected my device. I'm using SanDisk Ultra USB device with 32 gig. After that, you need to select the ISO image of your Windows 10 that you have downloaded before. You can check the tutorial in the previous part of this series. We put it onto document. Before that, this is the ISO that been downloaded before. Just click on it. If you save it in other place, then search for it. After that, just click open. The partition scheme, you could either use MBR or GPT. I think for newer device, you better use an GPT, but for older device, you could use MBR. I usually use MBR because usually I need to install Windows and some old devices. You could rename your flash drive to whatever you want it, but I'm just gonna leave it default. And other than that, there's no need to change any setup in this Rufus. You only need to find your ISO files, then choose your flash drive. Here the image option is 32. Windows to Go is like something like a Linux Live maybe. Yeah, so you can run Windows on your USB drive. That's not the goal in this particular tutorial, so you need to choose standard Windows installation, and then for partition scheme you could either use MBR or GPT. In this tutorial I'm gonna use MBR. Is the difference between MBR and GPT is this target system. If you are using newer devices, usually they are using UEFI. But if you're using an older device, you rather use an MBR. So it support both. It could support older BIOS, or it could also support newer BIOS. That's why I'm using MBR. You don't need to click so advanced. It's gonna confuse you more. That's why this is all you need to do. First is choosing your device, then choosing where you put your ISO files, then choose standard Windows installation. After that, change the partition scheme to MBR and probably change your flash drive name. If not, just leave it default. Then after that, all you need to do is click start. It's gonna be warning. I'm already told you need to back up all your data in this flash drive before doing any of this, because this gonna be destroying all data in this flash drive. In other words, it's gonna format your flash drive. If you are sure, then just click OK. It's gonna deleting your partition and starting the process to creating USB bootable device onto your flash drive. I'm just gonna speed up a little bit in this process. It's already reaching 92%. That's why I'm recommending you to using USB 3 flash drive, because it would be much faster when copying an ISO files into this flash drive, of course. You could also using USB 2 flash drive with no problem, but it's gonna be much slower than this. As you can see, it's only take a couple of minutes to making it if you're using a USB 3 drive. After the process is finished, it's going to show ready in the progress bar. This means your USB flash drive is ready to be used to installing your devices. Okay, that's it for today's video. In the next part, I'm gonna show you the last part. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to installing Windows using the USB flash drive directly into your devices. So don't forget to subscribe so you wouldn't miss out the next video. And if this video helpful for you, please leave a like. And if you have any question, just leave it in a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.